Hi. Do you have this? What do you have here? What do you have there? Wanna try it? Uh-oh. What, Bubba? Oh, what you got? What you got? Are you gonna eat it? No. Wow. Oh, I see it. I'm doing a video though. I'm not taking a picture. Eat it. Take a big bite. Wow. Oh, is that a big bite?
Yeah. It's a breathable material. Temperature above 10 degrees, and you can leave it on for multiple days.